A very good morning to all the students present out there. How are you all? I hope you are done with your revision test that we have taken in the previous term. Yes? If not, then please try to do those questions. And regarding the answers, I have made a separate video for your revision test solution. So please refer to that video and give yourself the marks very appropriately and very honestly. Okay? So in this video, we are going to continue with your chapter number 2, that is number system. So my dear students, in our previous lecture we have learned some introductory portion of your number system. Yes, we have seen what is a number system, some different types of number system, what is the meaning of that base, decimal number system we have seen, binary, octal, hexadecimal, all these we have seen. Yes, and then furthermore we have seen the conversion of your decimal number into binary numbers. Okay, and after that conversion of binary numbers into decimal number. And yes, my dear students, I have given you two questions from the exercise portion. I hope that you all have done that questions. Okay, if not, then please try to do those questions in your copy. Okay, and when we are going to discuss our exercise portion after completing this chapter, then you please check your answers with mine. Okay, so today we are going to start with your binary arithmetic portion. Okay, binary arithmetic we are going to do basically your addition, as well as see over here binary addition we will see in these, and binary subtraction we will see. Okay, binary multiplication also and binary division also. These four operations we are going to see on binary numbers. Yes, binary means on zeros as well as on ones. Now my dear students, please focus on this point, binary addition. Firstly, when we are going to add any two binary numbers means 0 and 1. Okay, then see over here we are having a chart. Yes, if 0 plus 0 you will be getting 0, 0 plus 1 you will be getting 1, 1 plus 0 you will be getting 1, and 1 plus 1 is basically what? It is basically 2. But we are doing binary addition, so we are not going to write this 2 over there. Instead we will write 0 and take a carry of 1. Okay, so please remember these points while performing this addition operation on binary numbers. Now furthermore, see the examples. Example number 1 we are having over here. See, 10101 with a base 2. Okay, base 2 means it is a binary number. Again, this one with a base 2, it is a binary number. Okay, now see over here, 10101. Yes, and 1010. You have to add this quantity. Yes, now don't see this point, try to do the calculation over here only regarding these binary numbers. So we have learned 1 plus 0 is what? 1 plus 0 is 1. Yes, 0 plus 1 we have learned is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 1 is what? Basically 1. So this is basically what your addition. Okay, you have got this answer as an addition of these numbers. Now my dear students, if you want to just check your answer that whether you have performed the addition operation correctly or not, then for that kind of purpose you can do what? You can convert these binary numbers into your normal decimal numbers. Okay, I have told you the way that how you are going to convert these numbers into those. Yes, now see, 10101. Firstly we are starting from the left hand side position. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Yes, plus, then 0 we are having, 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1. Then again plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Then again plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. Then again plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. Okay, getting the point? This 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. This 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 1, and so on up till we have reached the end of the position point. Okay, so now let us calculate these things. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 0. 1 into 1, you will be getting 1 as an answer. Yes, now plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 multiplied by 0, you will be getting 0 as an answer. Yes, again 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 1, you will be getting 4 as an answer. Yes, plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8 multiplied by 0, you will be getting 0 as an answer again. Okay, now over here 2 to the power 4 you will be getting 16. 16 plus multiplied by 1 you will be getting 16. Now try to calculate this thing. 16 plus 4 20. and 20 plus 1 you will be getting 21. So appropriate decimal number of this 10101 is what? Your 21. Okay, now accordingly you have written 21 over here. Now if you check this 1010 for the same, then you will be getting what? 10. Okay, now performing normal mathematical calculation on these, 21 plus 10 you will be getting 31. Now this one 11111 you were getting as an answer na, while you were doing the addition on binary things. Yes, and for now for decimal you will be getting what? 31. So these two will be equal. Okay, if these two will be equal, then your answer is equal. Getting the point? आपको क्या करना है? Firstly you have to perform the binary operation on these numbers. Yes, and then this is basically what you have to do. Now आगे का काम हम लोग जो भी कर रहे हैं वो हम सिर्फ अपना चेक करने के लिए कर रहे हैं, नथिंग एल्स वी आर डूइंग. ओके, सो ये जो फर्स्ट नंबर था आपका 10101, वी हैव कन्वर्टेड इट इनटू व्हाट? इनटू योर डेसिमल नंबर. अगेन 1010 we have converted it into 10, again your decimal number. Now 21 plus 10 will give you what? 31. Now you can check whether this 11111 is equal to 31 or not. If yes, then your answer is okay, otherwise you are having some mistake in it. Getting the point? Now see the second one. Okay, the second one what we are getting is this one 111 and 101. Okay, write down over here 111 and what? 101. Yes, now let us perform some arithmetic calculation on those. Now 1 plus 1 was what? 0 with a carry 1. Yes, it is 1, students. Now again 1 plus 1 is what? It is 0 with a carry 1. Okay, so you are getting 0 over here and 1 over here. Yes, it is 1, my dear students. It is looking like 2, but it is 1. Again 0 plus 0 is 0. Yes, now 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. Yes, now again 0 plus 1 is 1. You are left with a single one, so you are having 1 over here also. Now getting the point? आपने इसको carry लिया. Yes, 1 plus 1 was 0. आपने carry लिया 1. Then again first two में आपने calculate किया 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. 0 plus 0 0. Okay, now again furthermore you have calculated and you have got 1100. Okay, now let us try to check whether our answer is okay or not. Now firstly we have converted what? This first number 111 into an appropriate decimal number. I hope you have already understood about these conversions, so let us not discuss regarding these again and again. So if you convert this 111 into decimal number, then you will be getting what? 7 with a base 10. Why base 10? Because your decimal number is having a base 10. It contains 10 digits only. Yes, so 111 corresponds to 7 in decimal number. Now again let us convert this 101. Yes, see over here 101, if we convert it, then we will be getting 5 as an answer, as a decimal point representation. Okay, so now 7 plus 5 will be giving you 12. Okay, so आप अगर नॉर्मल मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन करेंगे देन यू विल बी गेटिंग 12, बट अगर आपने बाइनरी अरिथमेटिक कैलकुलेशन किया देन यू आर गेटिंग व्हाट? 1100. अब आप इस 1100 को कन्वर्ट कीजिए अकॉर्डिंगली टू योर डेसिमल नंबर एंड यू शुड गेट व्हाट? यू शुड गेट 12. नाउ सी ओवर हियर 1100 आपने कन्वर्ट किया, इट मीन्स व्हाट यू हैव गॉट 12. तो हेंस वी कैन से दैट आवर आंसर इज करेक्ट एंड you have got what? 1100 as an answer, as an addition of two numbers. Okay, now see the third example. Third example says what? You are having these numbers 11001 and another number you are having 1111. Now let us try to add these numbers. Okay, 1 plus 1 will be giving you 0 with a carry of 1. Yes, now 1 plus 0 will be giving you 1, no carry. 1 plus 1 is giving you 0 with a carry 1. Yes, now again 1 plus 0 is giving you 1, no carry. 1 plus 1 going to give you 0 with 1 carry. Yes, 1 plus 1 going to give you 0 with 1 carry. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज़ रिमेंबर कि अगर आपने स्टार्टिंग में ही यहाँ पर आपको 0 मिल चुका है और कैरी मिल चुका है तो आप नेक्स्ट नंबर पर ही कैरी लगाओगे. यस, लाइक यू आर डूइंग इन योर बेसिक मैथमेटिक्स, आप बिल्कुल वैसे ही कैरी को यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पर. नाउ अगेन सी ओवर हियर 0 plus 1 वी आर लेफ्ट विद, इट इज़ 1. नाउ अगेन 1 plus 1 is 0. and you are having carry 1. So over here we are not having any other binary number, so 1 is like this over here. Yes, so this is your basically the answer of binary arithmetic. Now if the question came that you have to add two numbers, then besides adding these two binary numbers you have to do this thing also. Okay, you have to check your result also in your exams, in your copy. Okay, so सबसे पहले आपको एडिशन परफॉर्म करना है, आइदर एडिशन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, वट एवर इट इज आपको परफॉर्म करना है. देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स यू हैव टू चेक योर रिजल्ट ऑल्सो. ओके, नाउ आई होप दिस एडिशन पोर्शन इज. Now, moving forward with our video, we are having binary subtraction with us. Okay, so before proceeding further, let us see what are the rules that we are going to follow while performing this subtraction on your binary numbers. Okay, so see over here is a chart basically. It says 0 minus 0 is 0. Yes, 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is again 0, and 0 minus 1 is 1. Why 1? Because it is taking a borrow from 1 left to the bigger number as is done in decimal subtraction. Now my dear students, please remember जब आप लोग छोटे थे and when you were doing decimal subtraction, likewise if you want to subtract this 7 by this 10, then how you are going to do? Firstly आप देखते थे कि 0 है and 7 है, the 0 is smaller than 7, then you take number 1, borrow from over here. Yes, and it becomes what? It becomes 10. Yes, now 10 minus 7 is what? 3. It becomes 0. Now 0 3. This is how we are doing our subtraction now. So over here see also हम लोग कुछ इसी टाइप का borrow करेंगे from our left hand side. ठीक है. Now one more thing to notice over here is that when you are doing decimal subtraction, as you already know that the base number of decimal is what? It is 10. That is why जब भी आप कोई एक borrow लेते थे, then you will be getting what? You will be getting 10, as we have seen in the previous example. जब अभी आपको मैंने 10 minus 7 किया था. Over here also students, आपका यहाँ पर 0 था and यहाँ पर जब आपने borrow किया था तो instead of just 1, it is going to take you 10. Yes, so 10 minus 7, now you can do it as a 3. Okay, so आपने क्या borrow लिया? आपका 10 borrow गया था. Why? Because you are having 10 as a base number. Now see over here in binary subtraction we are having base as a 2. Yes, so आपका जो बोरो लेने के बाद नंबर बन जाएगा वो आपका 2 बन जाएगा. ओके, एंड द डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन और यू कैन से बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ 2 कितना होता है? 1 0. यस, अगर आप 2 को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो आपका क्या आएगा? 1 0. यू कैन चेक, हम लोगों ने पहले पढ़ रखा है कि हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट दिस डेसिमल इनटू बाइनरी. ओके, सो 2 का अप्रोप्रिएट जो आपका बाइनरी नंबर होता है दैट इज योर 1 0. इस चीज़ को हम ध्यान में रखेंगे while performing our subtraction. Okay, now see the first example over here. Firstly, let me tell you that this answer is basically wrong. Okay, you please correct it with the help of your pencil or anything else. आप इस आंसर को करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. You can also check this answer while converting this into decimal subtraction. आप इसको अगर decimal appropriate देखेंगे तो you will be getting 54. ओके, एंड अगर आप 1011 को देखेंगे अपना डेसिमल सब्ट्रैक्शन में, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग व्हाट? यू विल बी गेटिंग 1 1. ओके, सो आप इसको जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे देन यू शुड गेट 43, बट दिस 10010 इज नॉट इक्वल टू 43. ओके, यू प्लीज चेक दिस आंसर विद योर्स. ओके, now let us try to perform this subtraction on our own. We are having 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, and we have to subtract 1 0 1 1 from it. Okay, now let us try to perform this subtraction operation on it. Now 0 minus 1, firstly we have to take a borrow from the left hand side position. Yes, so over here firstly on the left hand side we have seen it is 1 over here, so it is going to give it a borrow. Okay, now it becomes what? It becomes 1 0. Yes, now यहाँ पर क्या बचा आपका? यहाँ पर बच चुका है 0 because this one has already given a number. Yes, now you are getting what? 1 0 minus 1. सी ओवर हियर 0 minus 1 was what? 1. तो या तो आप ये समझ लीजिए कि आप इस प्रॉपर्टी के अकॉर्डिंग 1 लिख रहे हैं, और अगर आपको ज़्यादा डेप्थ में जानना है तो आप ये देख लीजिए कि इट इज़ 1 0. यस, 1 0 का आपका जो डेसिमल रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या होता था? 2 होता था. आई हैव टोल्ड यू प्रीवियसली ऑल्सो. नाउ इफ यू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 2 minus 1, then again you will be getting 1 as an answer.
ओके, सो आप दोनों में से किसी भी तरीके से समझ सकते हैं इस चीज़ को, बट 0 - 1 विल बी गिविंग यू 1 एंड इट इज़ टेकिंग 1 बोरो फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पोजिशन। ओके, अब यहाँ पर कितना बचा आपका, ये 1 तो आपका बोरो हो गया, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग 0 ओवर हेयर। सो नाउ अगेन 0 - 1, अगेन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक बोरो फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पोजिशन। यस, सो यहाँ पर भी 1 है, अगर आप बोरो लेंगे तो ओवर हेयर ऑल्सो आपके पास 0 रह जाएगा एंड यू हैव गॉट वॉट 1 फ्रॉम दिस साइड ऑल्सो। नाउ अगेन यूजिंग द सेम प्रोसीजर यू हैव गॉट 1 अगेन। Okay, now 0 - 0, 0 - 0 was 0 over there. Yes, so 0 we have written. Now 0 - 1, again we have to borrow from the left hand side position. See, left hand side position पर you are having what, 1. Yes, now अब इस 1 का क्या करेंगे, इस 1 को borrow ले लेंगे and it has got over here. Yes, now यहाँ पर क्या बचा है आपका 0. Now again if you perform subtraction operation on these then you will be getting 1. Yes, now 0 again over here, so 0 as it is, 1 as it is. So the answer is basically 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, and it is appropriately equal to your 43 in your decimal number. ओके, सो आप क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले इन एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 आप इसको कन्वर्ट कीजिए इन योर डेसिमल नंबर्स। ओके, आपका फर्स्ट वाला सेकंड वाला दोनों को कन्वर्ट कीजिए एंड देन यू प्लीज चेक दैट वेदर दिस आंसर इज राइट और रॉन्ग, बट इन योर बुक इट इज गिवन एज रॉन्ग। ओके, द एक्चुअल आंसर फॉर दिस सब्ट्रैक्शन इज दिस वन, 1 0 1 0 1 1। ओके, सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग। यस, नाउ इन योर बुक इट हैज़ नॉट बीन गिवन कि आपने इसको कैसे चेक किया है। लाइकवाइज वी हैव डन इन दी एडिशन पोजिशन ना, फर्स्टली you are applying this operation, addition operation, and then afterwards you are checking whether your answer is right or not. Yes, so over here in subtraction also you have to do the same, whether in your book it has not been given but you have to do it, okay, in your copy. Now moving forward, see over here we are having example number 2. Yes, in example number 2 we are having 1 1 0 0 and we have to subtract 1 1 from it. Okay, now 0 - 1, it has to take borrow from the left hand side position. Again we can see on the left hand side we are having what, 0 not 1, so 0 again cannot give the borrow, so we will shift one more side to the left position. Okay, over here is 1. Now firstly what it will do, firstly this 1 will become 0 and it is giving borrow to this 0. Okay, now this becomes what, it becomes 1 0. Getting the point? Now if you remember that इन सब्ट्रैक्शन, इन बाइनरी सब्ट्रैक्शन आपका क्या होता है, जो कैरी जाता है वो आपका 2 जाता है एंड द बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ 2 इज व्हाट, 10। सो अगर आप यहाँ से इस पोजीशन से लेफ्ट अपने राइट हैंड साइड पर कोई एक बोरो देंगे, ठीक है, तो देन यहाँ पर क्या बचेगा आपका, यहाँ पर बचेगा आपका 1। गेटिंग द पॉइंट, यहाँ पर आपका 1 बचेगा एंड यहाँ पर आपका फिर से 1 0 आ जाएगा। ओके, सो ओवर हियर ऑल्सो 2 - 1 इज व्हाट, 1। नाउ यहाँ पर क्या बचा आपका, यहाँ पर 1 बचा, 1 - 1 इज 0, यहाँ पर तो 0 था ही, देन 0 एंड अगेन 1। Okay, so that is how you have got this 1 0 0 1 as an answer. Now again firstly you have to convert this 1 1 0 0 in your decimal representation. You will be getting a number, then again you have to convert this 1 1 and then if you subtract then you should get this binary representation. Okay, I hope this thing is clear to you. Now, see the example number 3. In example number 3, what is given? 1 0 1 0. Okay, and you have to subtract 1 0 0 from it. Okay, now let us see how we are going to subtract it. 0 - 0 will be giving you what? 0. Now again 1 - 0 is going to give you 0 over here. Yes, now again, sorry, 1 - 0 is going to give you 1, not 0. 1 over here. Yes, now again 0 - 1, it is going to take a borrow from the left hand side position, so this 1 will become 0 and it has got 1 0. Okay, so यहाँ पर अगर आप इसको माइनस करेंगे then you will be getting 1 as an answer और left hand side में तो आपका 0 है ही, so you have got 0 1 1 0 as an answer. Okay, now moving forward with your binary multiplication. Before proceeding further, firstly let us please see over here the chart. Yes, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, 0 into 0 is 0, and 0 into 1 is what? It is again 0. Okay, you have to keep these things in mind. Now with this chart, let us proceed further. See over here, we are having 1 0 1 0, and you have to multiply it with what? 1 0 1. Yes, now see how the results are coming. Okay, now over here you can also see the chart. Yes, now let us try to perform the multiplication. Firstly this 1 will be multiplied by all these things. Yes, so 1 multiplied by 0 will be going to give you 0, then 1 multiplied by 1 giving you 1, 1 multiplied by 0 0, then 1 into 1 will be giving you 1. Okay, now again multiplication as you are doing in binary thing. Okay, the same way we are going to do it over here. 0 multiplied by 0 0, 0 into 1 0, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 again 0. Okay, now again the third way, 1 multiplied by 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, and again 1 into 1 is what? It is 1. Okay, now at the last हम लोग क्या करते थे? We were performing the addition operation. Okay, so now see students over here, I'm going to write down the answer here because यहाँ पर we are not having the space. So in this line, simple 0 is here, so we are writing 0. Yes, now in this line we are having what? 1 0, so 1 plus 0 is what? 1. Yes, now in this line everything is 0, so yes, again 0 we are writing. In this line 1 plus 0 is what? 1. Yes, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. Getting the point? Now again over here in this line 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is again 1. Yes, now over here only 1 is left, so you are having 1. I hope this thing is clear. So the answer is what? 110010. Now again you are going to convert this 1010 into appropriate decimal number, 101 again into the decimal number, and after multiplying you are getting 50. So this binary representation should be equal to your 50. Okay, now see the example number 2. Two numbers we are having, that is 111 multiplied by 101. Okay, now let us do the multiplication. 1 multiplied by 1 giving you 1, 1 into 1 again 1, 1 into 1 again 1. Multiply 0 into 1 0, again 0, again 0. Now multiplied by 1 into 1 1, then again 1, then again 1. Okay, now let us perform the addition operation. I'm going to write down the answer over here. Okay, so in this line only 1 is there, so 1 we will write it. Yes, now in this line 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, in this line 1 plus 0 is 1. Yes, now again 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. Yes, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. Okay, now again 1 plus 1 is 0 with a carry of 1. Now over here in this line nothing is there, so we are writing 1 as it is. So for this multiplication you are going to get 10011 as an answer. Okay, now again you please convert this 111 into your decimal number, 101 again into decimal number. Now try to multiply those things. The result you are getting should be equal to this binary representation. Okay, now our last topic, that is binary division. Now students, for performing this binary division we are having only two set of rules. Okay, 0 divided by 1 is 0, and 1 divided by 1 is what? It is 1. No carry, no borrow. Okay, simple two rules we are having. Now let us see the example number 1 with this. Okay, we are having 1010. Okay, and you have to divide it by 101. Now let us try to do this problem. Okay, 101. Over here see, we are having what? 101. Yes, so we can write 101. If multiplied by 1, then it is going to give you what? The same number, that is 101. Yes, you can also try this like this. 101 multiplied by 1 is going to give you 1 1 is a 1, 1 0 is a 0, and 1 1 is a 1. Okay, so 101 multiplied by 1 will be giving you 101. Now subtraction we are going to do. Okay, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 0. ओके, लाइक वी आर डूइंग इन अवर बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन. नाउ आपका एक जीरो जो है वो एक नीचे आपका शिफ्ट हो जाता है, देन यू विल बी गेटिंग जीरो ओवर हियर. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ओवर हियर सी four zeros we are having. If we multiply this simple number 101 by 0, then all the zero we are going to get. Yes, 0 0 0 and remainder is again 0. So for this question you will be getting 1 0 as a question. Okay, now again you please convert this 1010 into your decimal. You will be getting what? 10. You convert 101, you will be getting what? 5. And if you divide by this 10 by 5, you will be getting 2 as a question. So this 2 should be equal to this number. Okay, you please check your answer again and again. I'm telling you, you have to check your answer with it. Okay, now moving forward with your last example. Okay, it is again the division operation. Now see over here. Mm, over here you see. Yes, now over here. 1 0 1 0 1. Yes, we have to divide this number by 0 1 1. Now this number is not equal to this number, so firstly let us try on our rough page. Let us try to multiply it with what? With 1. So it is going to give you 0 1 1 again. Yes, so firstly we are going to write down 1, then again 0 1 1 over here. Yes, now subtraction we are going to do. 1 minus 0 is 0. Yes, 0 minus 1 is what? 1 with a borrow from the left hand side. Yes, 0 minus 0 is again 0. Now you are going to take one number from the right hand side at the very bottom. Okay, so 0 आपने shift किया है यहाँ पर. Now again you will be doing what? 1 0 1 1 multiplied by 1. Okay, you are getting 0 1 1. Okay, now you have to again perform the subtraction operation over there. Now over here I am writing the solution. Yes, 0 minus 1. Again you have to take borrow from the left hand side, but यहाँ पर भी आपका क्या है? 0 है. So you will be shifting on the left hand side. Yes, so ये आपका जो 1 है ये आपका 0 हो जाएगा, and over here you will be getting 1 0, and over here also जब यहाँ से आप इधर शिफ्ट होंगे, then you will be getting 1 from here and you will be getting this 1 0 from here. My dear students, if you are not getting this subtraction, then please let me know, but to try to understand that जब हम यहाँ पर बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं तो आप जो यहाँ से बोरो लेते हैं that is 2. आप 2 बोरो लेते हैं, and the binary representation of 2 is what? 1 0. that is why जब यहाँ इस वाले 0 से सॉरी इस वाले 1 से जब यहाँ पर बोरो जाता है तो इट बिकम्स 1 0. ओके, और ये आपका 2 रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है, तो जब यहाँ से इस 1 0 से यहाँ पर एक बोरो जाता है तो 2 माइनस 1 क्या देता है? आपको 1 देता है. ओके, आई होप दिस थिंग इज क्लियर. सो अगेन 1 माइनस 1 इज व्हाट ओवर हियर? इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू 1. then again 1 minus 1, you will be getting what? 0. Then again 0 minus 0 is what? 0. Now students see over here we are having 1 left. Okay, तो आपका ये 1 क्या होगा? नीचे shift होगा, and we are getting this one. Yes, so now you have to divide this thing with this thing. Now if you see that if you multiply it by 1, then you will be getting what? 0 1 1. So that is why your answer is 1 1 1 for this one. Okay, I hope this thing is clear to you. Yes, now again you please convert this thing into your decimal representation. You will be getting 21. 0 1 1 अगर आप करेंगे तो you will be getting this 3, and again the result is what? 7. अगर आप 7 को convert करेंगे then you will be getting 1 1 1. Okay, I hope that this thing is clear to you. Now what you have to do in this, firstly, see my dear students, in the previous one I have given you some questions regarding the exercise portion. Now if you have done those questions in your computer copy, then there is no problem with that. But if you have not done it, then you are going to start your chapter number 2 in your copy. Then firstly you have to write down the heading, that is your binary arithmetic. ओके, फर्स्टली बाइनरी अरिथमेटिक आप लिखेंगे. अगर आप लोगों ने एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस पहले अटेम्प्ट कर लिए हैं देन देर इज़ नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. आप उसके बाद में अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेशंस लिख दें, बट आपको क्या करना है? अरिथमेटिक बाइनरी अरिथमेटिक हेडिंग डालनी है. देन उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? बाइनरी एडिशन लिखना है. ओके, दीज all these rules you have to write it down over there also. Okay, then आपको क्या करना है? ये सारे एग्जाम्पल्स अपनी कॉपी में खुद से एक्सप्लेन करने हैं. ओके, सारे एग्जाम्पल्स आपको खुद से एक्सप्लेन करने हैं. लाइकवाइज दिस एग्जाम्पल 1 हैज़ बीन explained over here. Yes, आपने यहाँ पर सबसे पहले एडिशन करके दिखाना है, then you have to show, यहाँ पर आपको डायरेक्टली दिया हुआ है that is 21, इसका जो रिप्रेजेंटेशन है that is 21, but in your copy आपको दिखाना है करके कि how you are converting this 10101 into this particular 21. Okay, then again आपको दिखाना है this 1010 कैसे आपको 10 लिखना है, ठीक है। then again आपको यहाँ पर ये चीज़ करनी है। आई एम गिविंग यू अ सैम्पल एग्जाम्पल दैट आपको अपनी कॉपी में कैसे करना है, एंड सारी एग्जाम्पल्स, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, ओके, एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, आपको सारे ऐसे ही करने हैं। देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स फॉर दिस बाइनरी सब्ट्रैक्शन आपको हेडिंग डालनी है, एंड दिस चार्ट यू हैव टू मेक इट आउट। आफ्टरवर्ड्स दिस सैम्पल, दिस एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1 you have to write down, then example number 2, example 3, same goes for the multiplication and same goes for your division. Okay, I'm giving you a sample solution that how you are going to solve this example in your copy. Okay,
Now students, see over here, this is basically a demo example, like how you are going to give your examples in the copy. Okay, so regarding it, that binary addition, binary subtraction, multiplication and division, all the examples that have been written in your book, you have to write every example in your notebook. Okay, and like this you have to write it down. Firstly, you have to write down the question, that is add 1010, all this is from your book, example number 1. Okay, and then you will perform this operation. Okay, after that you convert just every line. Firstly, this 10101, this 1010, then this one. Okay, convert all the three numbers into equivalent decimal number. Yes, and over here at the right hand side at the last आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पर लिखना है that 21 plus 10 equals to 31. Okay, and over here you have to check कि आपका ये वाला जो आंसर है लास्ट में जो आपका बाइनरी डिजिट्स आ रहा है that should be equal to 31. Now see over here, यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने इस चीज़ को चेक कर लिया है. Okay, so this is how you are going to do all your questions in your copy. ओके अगर आपने पहले रिवीजन टेस्ट को अटेम्प्ट कर लिया है देन नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट, आप उसके बाद अपना बाइनरी अरिथमेटिक लिख लें. ठीक है, अगर आपने एक्सरसाइज के जो मैंने क्वेश्चंस के लिए कहा था, इफ़ यू हैव डन द सेम पोर्शन देन आफ्टर दैट पोर्शन यू कैन डू दीज एग्जाम्पल्स. देर इज़ no limitation, okay, there is no boundation, but you have to write down this portion in your copy. So for this week this is basically your homework. Okay, all the examples you have to write it down in your copy. All these examples basically you have to understand. Okay, so with this basically we have completed our chapter. Now for next week we are going to continue with your exercise portion. Okay, all the assessments we will see, and we will see the conversions basically and your binary arithmetic regarding your exercise portion. So thank you so much.